What we do in manufacturing operations is not magic or some kind of science fiction. What we do is science fact.
We manufacture the ingredients for therapies and treatments that enable a healthier world.
From creating antibodies and proteins to enabling large-scale manufacturing, we hope to bring the benefits of our customers' therapies to thousands of patients worldwide.
We work across divisions, connecting engineering to supply chain to safety to quality. Pioneering innovative operations and processes to manage multiple customer projects.
We are world-class manufacturing experts who strive for continuous improvements in environments where change is constant.
It means a career with variety, with responsibility, working side by side with high-performing teams.
It means making a meaningful difference by being a reliable strategic partner to our customers.
What we do in manufacturing operations is help people live longer, healthier lives.